So it's special too because I got two of them. I got this at Carrefour Miniso, and yeah, so let's see which one we want. Because people have different opinions. So I want. Let's see. So we have cinnamon roll, pom pom pudding, the basic characters. So My Melody, Kuromi, Hello Kitty, and Buchako, and then a secret. They're all so cute. This box is called the Night of Rose. The Night of Rose. So yeah, I think out of and the secret. We have the secret, the ratio, the regular edition ratio is 1 out of 6. So you get one each. The secret edition ratio is 1 out of 72. 1 in 70. I said that wrong. 1 in 6. 1 in 72. 1 in 70. 72. Wow. I don't think I'm gonna get the secret. I have never gotten, well, that's a lie, I've gotten a secret in a tiny boxing before, but it wasn't that hard to get. So, anyway, I think I want, which one do I want the most? I definitely want the Passionate Messenger, which is Kuromi. Or the Sincere Lover, which is My Melody. I think they're matching. They're definitely matching. Because they have the same clothing. Just different accessories. And then probably Hello Kitty. Or the secret. I think the secret is My Sweet Piano. Or yeah, I don't know if that's her name. My Sweet Piano. I think so. Cause look, she has her little like ears sticking out. Or this is her like a fur or something. Yeah, you know. So yeah, I either want My Melody, Kuromi, or Hello Kitty. The other ones are cute too. I'll be fine with them. I'll be happy with them. But those are my favorite. So, should we open them? Should we start opening? Let's see what we get. Let's open it. I always like saving the boxes for some reason. I always get confused here. Oh, perfect. Okay, so that went smooth. I don't want to be revealed by the card. We have our little Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Oh my god. No way. No way. I got the one I wanted. Look at, oh my god, she's gorgeous. Look at this. Look at her. Oh my god. Isn't she gorgeous? God fucking damn it, get up. So we have My Melody. We have My Melody, My Melody, My Melody, My Melody, My Melody, My Melody. And I have no words, only because this is so detailed and so well made. Like, the crown is gorgeous from the ground. Look at these bows. This is my type of style. I've always wanted to dress up this style. It's very cute. But look at the bows. Look at the ruffles. Like, it even looks better in real life. And then she got red eyeballs. Like, and look at the back, 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 look at the back. She's such a cutie patootie. Oh my gosh. And it has like her name engraved on the back, My Melody. You can't see it. Oh, like this. Yeah, you can. And she has little paws. Isn't that the cutest thing you've ever seen? She literally has paws. I promise you, I've never seen anything cute. Paws. Literal paws. Literal paws. it is it broken though? Because I don't know how to stick this on. I'm going to look. How do you? Oh, it's on her other eye. Why does it go on her open eye? That doesn't make sense. Look at her. Look at her. She is so pretty. She's so pretty. 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 Wow. She is gorgeous. My favorite color is red. So this is a win for me because girl, this whole set is red and I have no words. Like, I'm so glad I got her. And then we have her beautiful card. I think I've told you that I save these cards because they're just so nice. Like, look at that. Sincere lover. That's adorable. Sincere lover. Look. This is so pretty, bro. Alright. We have My Melody. I cannot stick her on anything right now, so she's going to be like on here. This is the best I can do, but you can't see her anyway. But anyway, moving on to the second box. I'm nervous for this one. I'm really nervous because if I got the one that I really wanted, I don't think I'm gonna get one that I like really want again, but you know, it's okay. Alright. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's hope I get an Hello Kitty or Kuromi, but again, anyone is fine. We have the figurine in here. We have the figurine in here. We have the figurine in here. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Guys, I got the secret. I got the secret. Guys, I got the secret, and never in a million years did I think I would ever get the secret. What? Guys, I genuinely, I'm so flabbergasted. I'm like, what the fuck? Guys, I got the secret. She is so beautiful. Look at her. Look at her. She has a clear crown with the little like spikes. Look at her accessories. Oh my gosh. 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 I really don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I love her. I think she's my favorite out of the entire box. Guys, she literally is so cute. Has a little red, no, she has a little red bow. A little red bow. Little red bow. It has a rose like as the middle part. I don't know if you can see. At this angle maybe. My quality sucks to be honest, but I don't care. But like it looks like this. This rose, this rose. Oh my god. I do not know how to tell you how happy I am. My Melody, where are you going, bro? I don't know how to tell you how happy I am that I got the secret. Never, ever, 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 ever in my life did I think I was gonna get a secret. 1 in 72. 1 in 72 boxes, by the way. I'm pretty sure. In 72 characters. I like things you can get. I got the secret. I got the secret. And honestly, like, she's the cutest one. She's the cutest one out of everything. Like, look at her. She's got fuzz. She's literally got fuzz on her. She's so soft. This has been a crazy she has like a tail. She has like the tail in the back. She has the tail in the back. I like the clear. Guys, what the hell? And I did guess it right. I said my sweet piano, actually. And she comes with a big set, well, not a big one, but you know, a nice. So this isn't the prettiest stand you can get. It has gold, like, it has gold leaves. These are gold leaves. These are gold leaves. Let's put her on the stand. Let's put her on the stand. Oh, oopsies. That's awkward. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is my cutie. This is my cutie girl. She's the cutest girl in the world. I'm so in shock. I'm still like flabbergasted because I pulled two baddies. Somehow, I pulled two baddies. I pulled two baddies. I pulled two baddies. I pulled two baddies. Like, look, one, two. These are the cutest bunch. Oh my gosh. I actually really like how they kept her pink hair, pink fur. I mean, because have I been saying, like, is this a guy? No, I'm assuming not. Because she just like reminds me of my Melody, and my Melody's a girl, so TBH, I just see them both as girls. Anyway. Are you in disbelief? I'm in disbelief. Two of the ones I wanted the most, by the way, a literal secret, the literal secret. I still am recovering. Yeah, her name is My Sweet Piano, My Sweet Piano. My Sweet Piano, My Sweet Piano. And you wanna know a story? My friend could have pulled either one of these because we went shopping together and we bought three of them. Like, I got two. One of them was free, but I got two. And then my friend got one, and basically I wasn't keeping track of who picked out what. So, who picked out what? So, like, basically, she could have gotten either one of these. She got the Hello Kitty one. I would have liked that too. But I'm so happy